spent hours behind the wheel, you can tell the difference between a frustrating commute and a smooth ride. And Android Auto can make this difference. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. After a year of testing it in multiple EVs, here are the ultimate tips and tricks to turn Google's infotainment system into a productivity and entertainment powerhouse. First is one-tap directions. Skip typing addresses every morning and create assistant shortcuts. Tap the customized icon in the Android Auto Launcher, the plus icon on your phone, and program an action like get directions to work. One tap and Google Maps automatically navigates you without lifting a finger. If you hate missing accident reports or speed traps in split-screen mode, tap the carousel icon to push Google Maps into full-screen view and catch every road detail. The auto music playback will never let you fumble playlists again. In Android Auto settings, turn Start Music automatically on your favorite tunes and it'll play the moment you start your car. Next, wireless Android Auto is convenient but slow, battery draining, and laggy. A wired connection delivers faster responses, better latency, and keeps your phone cool. And last, if you're stuck in the traffic waiting, just open Game Snacks to play quick hits like Cannonball's 3D, Diamond Rush, or Retro Drift while you're there. Perfect for passing the time or entertaining moody passenger princesses like toddlers. With these Android Auto hacks, your daily drive transforms from dull to fun. Maps, music, shortcuts, and even mini games are all at your fingertips, now making your car smarter than ever. How many of these hacks did you know already? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.